my name is Nisa Dwi Jayanti. I come from Team 5. I want to present our mini research about a contrastive analysis between English language and Karo language. I explain Chapter 1, Introduction. The background of the research. We know that in a country there are some kinds of language. Indonesia consists of thousands of islands and various ethnic groups who live there. These ethnic groups who have their local language occupy this island. One of ethnic groups in Indonesia is Karo. One of the efforts to conservation and even the original of tradition that tribes is using the Karonese language in daily life, especially the Karo. English and Karo, of course, are the two different languages. They have different backgrounds and different countries, but the writers want to try to find the correspondent and non-correspondence, although both of the languages come from backgrounds of the language. B. The problem of the research. 1. What are the types, forms, uses of prepositions in English and Karo? 2. What are the correspondence and non-correspondence between English and Karo prepositions? C. Limitation of the research. It is almost impossible to find out all aspects and cases involved in studying contrastive linguistics. This analysis only focuses on English and Karo prepositions. D. Objective of the research. 1. To find out types of preposition, form of preposition, uses of preposition either in English and Karo. 2. To find out the differences and similarities of English and Karo prepositions. E. Significance of the research. It is expected that this analysis contributes significance for the writer, teachers, researchers, and readers. The significances of this analysis are: 1. To develop the writer's knowledge on contrastive analysis. 2. To be the guidance for the teachers who teach contrastive linguistics. 3. Be one of the references for the researchers who want to find out the differences and the similarities between English and Karo preposition. 4. Add the reader's knowledge about English and Karo prepositions. Next, chapter 2, explain with my friends.
Good day everybody, my name is Nadila Afrina Karmaliana Stion. My academic number 171200010. I will continue about chapter 2, review of related literature. 1. Definition of phonology. Definition of phonology according to Kerap. Phonology can be interpreted as part of the language structure that studies the sound of language. 1.2 Function of phonology. 1. To find out the change in sound of a word. 2. Learn about the process of sound formation, delivery, or pronunciation. 3. Learn the workings of the organs of the human body, especially those related to the use of language. 1.3 Phonology rules. 1. Phonetic. Phonetic learns how sound produced by humans are called collectively. 2. The tool says. Said tool is divided into two, namely passive articulator and active articulator. 3. Phonation process is a process in which the vocal cords in the throat produce sound with or without sound. 4. Language classification is a method for compiling data systematically or according to some rules or rules that have been set in grouping language. 5. Vocal classification is a method for compiling data systematically or according to some rules or rules that have been set in classifying vocal or foods. 6. Syllable is one or more phonemes which are marked by a peak of loudness of the phoneme which is located in the vowel. 2. History of English language. English language is one of the major languages of the world, identified by linguists as a member of the Germanic branch of the Indo-European family of languages historically. In modern English, change became during all these periods everything rather different in inflection, vocabulary, and pronunciation. 2.1 History of Caronese language. In contrast, the presence of Karo people with the surname Sembiring background the elements of India, or if proven in the and generally accepted, proving that the Karo custom so it has strong roots in the community and Karo same time immemorial that the new immigrants. 3. English and Caronese preposition. 3.1 Preposition of English. Preposition is to relate a noun or a pronoun to another word or to the rest of the sentence and any modifiers of the object. 3.1.1 Complex preposition consists of 2 or 3 words. An adjective example because, followed by one of the preposition for, from, of, to, with. 3-word preposition have the form simple preposition plus noun plus simple preposition, with the noun sometimes determined by the example in the approval of. 3.2 Caronese preposition. 3.2.1 Forms of preposition. Preposition of Caronese language in terms of shape consisting of 2 kinds of preposition, single and combined. 3.2.2 Function of preposition. In the language stating Karo preposition mark relationship among other places the preposition 1 co-preposition 2. Co-preposition 2 belong to the same post stating preposition. 2. Preposition bus or e-bus. Preposition bus or e-bus in belongs to the preposition that states a relationship where. 3. Co-preposition ke. Co-preposition ke and kempa ke belong to the preposition that states same post split. 4. Correspondence and non-correspondence. We will know the correspondence and non-correspondence in forms, function of English and Caronese preposition. 1. Combined preposition is the something with the English language that has a combined preposition. Karo language also has a combined preposition. 2. A sunken preposition then. Preposition in a prepositional language Karo because preposition join is composite of 2 words are joined.
Hello my friend, my name is Elvita Tarigan, NPM 17120017. Okay, I can explain to you about Chapter 3 Methodology 3.1. This mini research is using the descriptive qualitative method. The method also more attention to process than the result of the research. 3.2 Instrument of the data. The instrument data of this study are contained utterance in conversation Karo language, authentic and spontaneous, and which occur in natural situation. Conversation in context of everyday life of the conversation participants are divided into activities, cultural and non-cultural activities. Non-cultural activities include the activities in the market and in households. The data obtained are not restricted. This is consistent with what was said at Kingston and Heritage 1984 as quoted by Higgins and Susan 1997. There should not be done activities such as disappearances, preventional treatment, and random the data. Not are there data significance or irrelevant data. In other words, the data to be analyzed is the data is without any intervention. 3.3 Data collecting method. To make the method work properly, I apply library research method to support the data description. Library research method is a way to support the analysis through providing data in written materials. The data are collected to read and studied. The source of the data are taken from some references in English and Caronese language books. 3.4 Data Analysis Method. The way that I'm going to analyze the data of English and Caronese language can be divided into two steps. They are, number one is, I'm going to describe the function of question word in English and Caronese language. Number two is, I'm going to compare English and Caronese language question word. In the end of each term will be found the correspondence whether English and Caronese question words are correspondence, partly correspondence, or non-correspondence. Okay, thank you.
My name is Raffi Ilhan Srilali, NPM 17120030. Chapter 4 English and Caronese Preposition 4.1 Preposition. The word preposition is derived from the Latin preposition. Pre means before and position means place. So preposition means placing before. Preposition is to relate a noun or a pronoun, another word, or to the rest of the sentence and any modifier of the object. 4.2 Form of preposition in this thesis, the writer wants to explain belief as the form of preposition. Simple preposition. This preposition consisting of a single word and often used, such as at, of, in, on, for, by, with, to, near, and etc. 4.3 Function of preposition. In English, prepositions are normally placed before noun or pronoun. 4.4 Type of preposition. In this thesis, the writer wants to classify the types of preposition based on their meaning. A. Preposition of place and position. Near. Near means briefing point. Example, my office near the shop. B. Preposition of the direction. 1. Preposition of time. 2. Preposition of manner or instrument. 3. Preposition, purpose, and reason. 4. Preposition of identification. 4.5 Form of preposition. Preposition of Caronese language in the term of shape, consisting two kinds preposition single and combinate. 4.6 Function. In the language speaking Caronese preposition marker relationship among other place. 1. Ku preposition to. Example, ku jape bibit lawes ikut rusuk anak. 4.7 Types of preposition. 1. Preposition bas or ibu. Preposition ke. Thank you.
I want to explain about chapter 5 conclusion. English and Caronese have the same form of preposition based on the description from the results of research. Then there can be concluded form of preposition within Caronese language consists from the two kinds, namely preposition single and preposition combined. Preposition single consists of preposition nari English language from, preposition bas or ibas English language inside, preposition ku English language to, preposition kempa English language to, preposition tara English language to the, preposition dahar English language nerdy. Suggestion. This study tries to present the preposition in the language about the form of Simalinkar and Brastage as well as the function of preposition in language is corrupt. The author expects that will come to do advanced research in depth and varied on the after the completing the thesis. The writer realizes that the thesis is still far from being perfect because her knowledge is quite limited to give a detailed and accurate explanation. Thank you.